So today is day 4 in Egypt. I'm sitting in the airport right now, heading to Sharm el Sheikh, and then Dahab. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get to Dahab. It should be like an hour bus ride. Don't have that ticket yet. I don't have a ticket back from Dahab or to anywhere else, but I'm trying to go to Luxor, and then Aswan, and then from Aswan back to Cairo. Showed up at the airport this morning. I got up at 5. My flight was at 7:40. It got canceled. They didn't send me an email or anything. Just was canceled, and then I had to buy another ticket, which was almost 1.5 times the price of the initial ticket I bought yesterday for this flight. So I've been at the airport for 4 hours now. They have no Wi-Fi, no outlets to plug into. My laptop's pretty much dead. First morning in Dahab. Got in like 6 o'clock last night. Yesterday was a long travel day, but finally made it. This time is beautiful. They have a lot of vegan places to eat. Really cool, like just beach vibes, which I really love. A little bit less crazy than Cairo. Right now I'm headed off to get some breakfast, and then at 9:30 I'm taking my PADI open water course. So I'm gonna do that, and then I might take the advanced course depending on just how long I'm gonna be here for. And yeah, this is the town. Oh, also, I really love this town. They got a gym, 100 pounds, and you get a 7-day pass. And it's like a super old school, like rusty weights, like pictures of like Jay Cutler on the wall, like a dope gym. What's up, buddy? Cutie. So, just got back from the PADI course. Just had to watch a bunch of videos today. Gonna actually go in the water tomorrow. So today, I'm gonna go out on my own, go snorkeling. And then I think I'm gonna try to do like an ATV or a dirt bike, like riding into the desert. Check that out. The town's pretty quiet. Everybody's saying here that it's on like off season or in between low season, high season. So not too much going on, but I'm excited. There's a lot of good food here. The weather's really nice, and I can't wait to get in the water. On my way to go snorkel. some wild goats in the street. What's up? What's up, buddy? Those guys are wild out there. Just got done with snorkeling. Rinsed off the salt water. Had to check out the gym now. After that, I think I'm gonna work on some videos, and we'll see. It's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been a good day so far. Hot as fuck in this gym, but it's nice. Gotta be at least 90 in here. I haven't actually touched weights in about 3 weeks since I've been traveling. Feels good to get back in it. Shit, so I got muesli, some fruit salad, some rolls. And I asked for it without milk, but I thought it would come in like hot water, but it's just like straight up dry muesli. So, dry oatmeal for breakfast. Got breakfast in, got a couple rolls to go. Headed back to the hostel, and change real quick, and then walk over to Big Blue Dive, get my patty. Or first dive in at least.
get enough of you. Leave it all to bloom. You were right. I know I can't get enough of you. No, the things that I would do. calling out your name. Sitting and waiting, I'm waiting.